Welcome to the installation video for the CURT 18425 CURT Pakka Cargo Caddy. Turn your trunk space into a more functional, better organized storage area. Begin by assembling the caddy's frame and slide the strap that is marked top onto one of the two frame bars, positioning it in the middle. Make sure the ladder buckle is positioned toward the back, as it will end up being installed over the rearmost middle seat. Then slide on the headrest straps on either side of the same frame bar. On the second frame bar, slide the middle seat strap to the center of the bar. Next, connect the right upright to the frame bars. Make sure the pre-installed strap is positioned out in front of the frame. Repeat this process the same way for the left upright. Now that the frame is assembled, orientate the frame to the back of the rear seats, making sure your straps are positioned the right way before continuing. Then continue by buckling and tightening one of the headrest straps to the corresponding headrests. Repeat this on the other headrest and make sure the straps have been tightened firmly. The middle seat strap will need to be threaded underneath the rearmost middle seat. Once threaded, pull the strap through to the front of the seat so that it's between the seat back and the frame. Next, thread the middle seat strap through the included seat strap cover. Then connect the middle seat strap to the ladder buckle of the middle strap labeled top. Then tighten the strap firmly. The frame should now be firmly secured to the back of the rearmost seats. Position the strap cover over the corner of the back of the seat. This cover adds protection for the upholstery. The Cargo Caddy has two different height positions to choose from. Install the tray to your desired height position by angling the tray and sliding the tray sockets onto the mounting pins on the frame. Once the tray is inserted over the mounting pins, lower the tray to lock the tray to the frame. Next, place the included ladder buckles onto the side straps and thread the straps through the corresponding cam buckles on either side of the tray. Adjust the straps so the tray is level. To fold up the tray, simply lift the tray into its upright position, tucking the side straps into the tray area and securing the tray to the frame with the top middle buckle. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed the CURT Pakka Cargo Caddy, part number 18425. Stay organized on your next adventure and get ready to bring it with CURT.